everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is the day after Thanksgiving, and while most people are repurposing their turkey leftovers, my kids and I thought we would repurpose our stuffed mushroom leftovers. We did not bring home any turkey because, again, we had Thanksgiving dinner at my mom's house and we live a couple hours away from her, but we did bring home a few of the remaining keto snacks, and some of the stuffed mushrooms were a part of that. So what Jackson is going to do is he's going to jump in here and go ahead and slice up these stuffed mushrooms. So if you saw Sarah's video from our Tribe of Many, she shared with us these stuffed mushrooms. These are just white button mushrooms. We cleaned them, we destemmed them, and we did a filling of cream cheese, sausage, peppers, onions, and I topped ours with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some Italian. We baked them for a little while and then we put them in under the broiler. So Jackson, how about you get a cutting board, but that might make it easier. Jackson's going to go grab a cutting board. Then he's going to cut these whole mushrooms into mini pieces, and then we'll show you how we're going to repurpose these for today.
Everybody, we are back, and Mom is cracking the eggs so she can make the eggs with the mushrooms. It is currently 11:22 and 13 more minutes until the food's done. So Mom is starting the eggs now.
Alright, you guys, so I have 6 eggs, some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cheese. We're going to add just the last little bit of that heavy whipping cream. I'll add just a little bit more here. I'm going to make like a frittata. And then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper in there. I'm not a real heavy proponent of pepper. It's not one of the fave things that I like. And then I'm going to add a little bit of our taco seasoning, because I just really like this in anything we cook, actually. And that should be plenty. So I'm going to froth these eggs just using my whisk. Break up these yolks. And now that I've gotten all of those ingredients incorporated, I'm going to add in the leftover stuffed mushrooms that we had from Thanksgiving. So like I said, most people are using turkey leftovers. We did not bring home any leftovers. We left all of the things that we cooked that were regular foods that were left with my mom. And then most of our keto meal was eaten by everybody. So it was really, really good. So I'm just adding in my stuffed mushrooms that Jackson cut for me. One hazard of having a ninja for a child is he does not realize that you don't just karate chop your mushrooms. So I'm just going to give this a quick stir, and then we're going to go over to the cooktop and get this in the pan. Alright, you guys, so in my pan I have just some leftover bacon grease, and then here's my frittata, which has my 6 eggs, a little bit of heavy whipping cream, seasoning, cheese, and then my sliced up or chopped up mushrooms that my son decided to chop up ninja style. And I'm going to put this into my frying pan, which is not hot enough. And we're trying to time this just right so when the other Thanksgiving leftovers come out of the oven, this would be done because none of us like cold eggs. But I am going to turn my heat up just a tiny bit, and then we're going to get this frittata-ing. You guys, so here is our, what do we call it, Thanksgiving redo or remake using Thanksgiving leftovers. We did a stuffed mushroom frittata. Kind of had my heat a little bit high there, but we just took our eggs and we chopped up our mushrooms that were stuffed, and we cooked those in a pan, and the kids and I are going to enjoy breakfast. Well, it's actually brunch now because it's 11:44. We were out doing Black Friday shopping, and we did a lot of shopping this morning for other people. We still have not gotten very many things for ourselves or our kids, our family. But I also made another batch of the pumpkin muffins. These are the low-carb pumpkin pie cupcakes, and they are delish and to die for. That recipe is from All Day I Dream About Food. And then this is all that was left from our keto Thanksgiving. Was a half a pan of keto stuffing. This just a little bit of cauliflower mac and cheese, and then I picked up some collards that my aunt made, and then we had some leftover chicken from the other night, and we're just trying to clean out all of our Thanksgiving leftovers. But we just wanted you to know that you can repurpose things other than your turkey. So there it is. We also have some sugar-free cranberry sauce that we're going to be eating this afternoon. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. We hope you have a happy Black Friday, and we'll see you next video. Bye now.